Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I have found the ideal solution to keeping my instruments protected and organized. This guitar stand from STRICH has been an absolute game changer for me because I have had such a hard time figuring out the best way to store my instruments in a way that they are not going to topple over and get damaged and also look really neat and clean. So I store my instruments in the basement, and unfortunately I don't have enough time to play as much as I like. So I was looking for something that I could hold instruments either in the case or not in the case when I am using them often. So this is great because these little pegs are really soft and squishy, so they are easy on your instruments, but you can also move them around to configure it however you need to based on whether your instruments are in cases or they are free or how many you have. So this rack can hold up to 8 electric guitars or basses or 5 acoustic guitars, and they are really secure. You can see even shaking it, they are not going anywhere. So I really appreciate that. There's also this really soft felt on the back as well as on the bottom, and there's soft felt on the actual bottom of the rack itself, so it is not going to damage your floors or your instruments. So I am super happy with this guitar stand. I think it was super easy to put together. It makes me feel really happy to know that all of my instruments are really secure, and it just looks really neat and tidy and organized. I would definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.